not a game, it's a rage thing.
I don't know what's further down.
I don't know. Up in this thing. We up in this thing, man. The lighting in here is bad. Baby, the lighting in here is bad.
This was nice compared to the one that we had stopped in Mexico City.
Mm-hmm. There we go. There's a little breeze, I guess, right now. Mexico, guys. We finally made it. We in Mexico. Excuse if I sound muffled. I got this mask on.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rackz. I know you probably, she can say it in the background.
Rage!
And look, man, we done made it to Mexico. We is in Cabo, man. It's going down. But look, what I'm about to do right now, take y'all on a tour through the room. I want y'all to check out what we got, see what's going on. All right, like I said, we got a tour of the room. Let me take y'all through here first. So first, what we gonna look at? We got a little, we got a little whole little room for the toilet. Look kind of nice though. It's clean. I like that. Y'all look, this shit is so weird. This shit is so weird. You see this? You see this? Now watch this. I'm gonna pull the card. Boom. Put back in. Boom. Man, that's weird as hell. It's cool though. I like that. So, front door. Boom. You come in the front door. You looking straight at this right. I know we're gonna be up in this thing, checking this out. Hold on, can't show y'all too much. Closet. Got a safe in the closet. Got an iron. Bust them wrinkles down. Man, look at here. Look at here. This, they got this made pretty cool. This leads to the shower, right, baby? Oh, my bad. See, hey, I'm tripping. It's time to eat. I'm like some 50 Shades of Grey shit up in here. Yeah. Shower head clean. Oh, that's nice. Got an echo too. Boom. They got some decorations out here. Got a hair dryer. I don't know if I'll be drying my hair. I'll be drying some of my ass.
Where is you finna dry?
Yours. Boom. Got some decorations. What you doing to her head?
She trying to get this shit up for a minute. It's irritating.
You hot? sink area. Look pretty good. Check this out. Look at the jets up in here. No jets. It's a tub. Tub right in the middle of the room. That's not the middle, but you know, it's right here. It's a little decoration. I think they thought we was brother and sister or something. They gave us 2 beds. Fucked up. That's alright. Yeah.
But we digress. Our view is amazing.
Oh, we get to that? Look at this here. So, got that. Got a little sitting area. I don't know. We got a lot of storage in here for some reason. I guess people trying to come spend all kinds of time. I don't know, but look, check all that out. We over here. Excuse our clothes, just came in, about to change. Hadn't too long got off the plane. Yeah, but now, to the best part of it all. Y'all ready for this? Oh, bam! Look at this shit here. Open this door. Open this door. Look at our balcony. Balcony throw. Look at all this. Look at all that. See the big cruise ship out there? Yeah. They clip people in the pool getting lit already. Look, they already getting lit. Y'all hear them? Zoom in a little bit on. Look at that. Yep. Oh, you know what? I forgot to show y'all something. Let me go back here. Because after this, we got to go eat. We got to go eat ASAP. So, you just in your room chilling. You want to wake up. You forgot your mouthwash or something at the house. Boom. They got them back in the rooms. Just in case y'all was wondering. It's back in the rooms now. Fridge area. Stock pretty good. Those eggies and some, what's this, some Canadian dry wheat, that ginger ale? What the hell is that? I ain't never drunk that before. What is that? Let me see. By any means, this is no promotion. I just wanted to see what that was. Oh, okay. Got some Mountain
Probably
Dew.
it's tonic water, I'm sure.
Oh. Shit. Oh, we got that. So, you want to say something to the people before we cut this out?
Now we finna go eat. We'll be back with y'all in a little bit.
Yeah, but she say peace. That's what she say, so. Yeah, so give us a minute, man. We're gonna get dressed and go down and find some food. So, we'll have back at y'all in a little bit. All right. Okay. So, we walking through, y'all see this view? Man, excuse the sun. I ain't trying to get the sun out. Yeah, we on
When
it.
I told you that was over with Pepe's food.
Yeah, Pepe's food. So, first meal of the day, real meal. We gonna hit this Pepe's food. Yeah. See what all they got up in this thing.
What up, yo?
Hey, how's it going, man?
Cheeseburger and fries. How many? Just one.
Alright, y'all see we done made it out to the beach. Still on day 1. Shit. Hey, this sand hurt like a motherfucker. I think they made this sand man-made. They crunched up a bunch of rocks. Look, y'all see. I see stuff everywhere around here.
Look pretty good. I think that is the kids one over there.
What? Like a shrimp boat. What is that? Nothing. All this stuff, it look pretty cool. See the sunset, kinda, almost.
Yeah.
This dude here with these hats. Nah, bro. Move around. You don't need no hat? Nah, we good. Good.
Is that
Nah,
carnival?
I'm good. I'm good. Huh?
Is that carnival?
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh no. Oh, no. Hey man, look at here. Hold on, I gotta flip this thing around. Look. They be heavy on that weed out here. They trying to get us to smoke like a motherfucker, man.
I don't smoke weed.
No.
Let's be clear. No.
I was part of the DAP program back in the Gap. I don't do no weed, man. What is y'all talking about?
We finna get on these drinks though. We ain't finna do
But
the
look,
ganja.
I'm finna show y'all this shit here, man.
Granddaddy perk.
I'm probably wanna try to get close. Look at this goddamn sand. This sand. Look at this shit. This sand like little baby rocks, man.
Like some sand be a little smooth. This shit hurt.
This sand like baby rocks. This shit hurt.
That shit up and threw it out
Man.
there.
This that shit they do whenever you throw up or something in school. This to absorb it. This what this shit is.
Go to Aruba.
Man, I need that fine salt.
Smooth sand.
This, yes, I said salt. You heard that? I'm fucking stupid. I said salt. No, not yet. Yeah. This what we got, man. This what we got. What's good, everybody? It's day 2. Back up in this thing. About to get it going. Getting ready to go eat breakfast right now. We're gonna be on Atvs later on. We're gonna give y'all some of the footage, all that. But look, man, this is the view I woke up to this morning. Look at this. Look at this. Go outside right quick. Man, look at all this. I smell breakfast already. Look, people in the pool already. It's going down. Y'all see this? Look at that. It's just from our room. It's everything we have. All right, get back at y'all in a little bit. Peace. So look at that. View 2. It's the entrance part. Go all the way to see where those 4 little lake, little pool looking things is. Yeah, that's the entrance. This is our hotel. For a resort. Same thing. Yep. So going down this hallway. Trying to find the elevator again. So we're gonna get this breakfast. And it's going down. Cause I'm hungry, motherfucker. Y'all hungry right there? Look at us. Comment down below if y'all hungry. You hungry?
Always hungry.
Just look greedy. Just, man. All right. I'll meet y'all in a second. So back on our journey, trying to find where the food at. It's all the restaurants. What was this one? It's the Italian place. It's a Japanese place right here. Italian tonight, right? Say it again.
Italian tonight, Japanese tomorrow.
For your actual birthday.
Yeah.
Okay. Which restaurant is this? I smell fresh. This is fresh flowers. It's all this stuff right here. So do. Now look, we down here, close by the pool area, so y'all get a whole different look. So that's a Tropicana thing. That's a swim up bar. We might get that. Hola. We might hit the swim up bar later on today. Is she already on it? She got a drink already? It's 9 o'clock in the morning. They ain't playing no games. Hey, the weather right now, this time of year, it's feels great out here. You don't have a mask for this thing?
I don't know.
Nah. Man, we gonna finna see. So see, they got all these infinity pools. Yeah. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. That's what we're doing. I don't know. I think we gotta go in that way, huh? I think we gotta go in that way, huh? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. What y'all think about this so far? Go in right there. Let's see. What we do? I guess, right? That's where the place is. Hola. You got one on you, baby? All right, so we're here at the buffet. We had to pause for a second to put a mask on. But man, look at this, all this stuff. It's going down. Look at this. It's going down. Oh yeah. Hey, these are a little place for this. They got a big place on the other side. Okay.
food. Eggs everywhere. It's going down from here. So we're hitting on breakfast right now. Got a plate of fruits, everything looking good. Thick ass apple juice. Mimosa. And some shrimp too on the side. It's going down. Let us eat and be right back with y'all. Some more good scenery from the hotels, 3 of them all together. So I think this is the kids one right here. The one we're staying in is all adults. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's see.
You might put that on your neck unless you're going to put on the regular mask on the what's called.
On the what?
They say you got to wear a mask in the
Oh yeah. That one thing I can say, they do get on you about the mask, so you gotta put your mask on everywhere you go up in here. And just make sure whenever you get here, have your mask in your pocket, or your bag, or whatever. Do that. So, get back to some bright shit. So excuse us. Y'all see how this sun look good up out here? Make everything look pretty much straight. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna get right back with y'all in a few minutes. We at the beach, we on the ATV, show the ATVs. We on these things. Man, my hands hurt. My hands is hurt. You get me there?
Huh?
Yeah, it's going down. Y'all see the water. Y'all see the water.
It's so relaxing right here too. It feels great out here. Even though the sun not, you would think it's super hot, but it's not. It actually feels really, really good out here. And these waves. I was just saying that the waves has it like so calming out here.
Like I say, excuse the wind. Excuse the wind. Yeah. There it is. Y'all see, I come to Costa Rica, y'all gotta get on the, I mean not Costa Rica, I'm sorry, Cabo. Man, I'm tripping. Excuse what I said. Hey, I spoke up on it. It's the birthday girl too. She got the same birthday as baby. Yep. It's going down out here. Look at this. Look at this. So excuse the wind again. Yep. We're gonna get back at y'all whenever we get back to the, I guess to the ATV barn. So, holla. So, y'all want to say something for the channel?
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Enjoy your trip.
Oh yeah, oh, yeah.
Same to y'all.
All right, guys, we just went through the wine tasting. So, y'all just saw. Yeah, tequila. Well, I'm been messing up words all day. What's wrong?
Yeah, he done had too much tequila. That's
I think
the
so.
problem.
So yeah. But yeah, y'all seen that footage of that. So y'all want to go ahead. And actually, this is also attached to the ATV. So y'all want to go ahead and do that while y'all out here. It's
And
worth
it
it.
was through G-Force.
Yep.
And we
G-Force.
booked it through, what is it, Viator? It's V-I-A-T-O-R.
Yeah.
We booked it through them, but it's G-Force. So if y'all want to try the ATVs, it was a pretty good ride. It was a little bumpy in some spots, but it was cool.
Mind you, if you're scared of heights or all kind of stuff, I am gonna warn you. It's a couple little spots where it's like, ooh.
Smooth, good drop down. So
Or is it smooth going up? Yeah,
Exactly.
But all in all, it was pretty straight though. So, what do you rate this excursion? What do you rate this?
Out of 10,
Out of 10.
out of 10, I would rate it a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
only because it was a couple of little hiccups along the way, but other than that, it was cool.
I agree. So look here, we're gonna get back with y'all in a little bit. I'm ready to head back to the hotel. So y'all stay tuned.
Peace.
1 hour later.
All right, what's good, everybody? Hey, we're back now. I hear music in the background, but we're heading to one of these. We're in one of these pool areas right now, about to see what's going down. First time in the pool, so we can get our little footage of some of the pool area and see what's really good. You know what I mean? So stay tuned. Give y'all a little footage of what we see in front of us.
These four are good, right?
Oh yeah.
You guys want to take the other two?
No, we good. We good right here.
I'm about to say, either or.
Yeah. So y'all see the scenery we got right now. We at the reunion.
Viva Mexico!
This Pharaoh, hey, this Pharaoh right here. Hey, look, hey, happy
Yeah,
birthday.
yeah. It's our
Jumping in the cut.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Raider Nation. Yes, sir.
Hey, look. Hey, we're gonna have a little problem with that Raiders stuff. we over here in the pool area now. Boom, drinks, all that there. Got our buddies with us.
Yes.
We on.
Water all over the place.
We on. So yeah, hey, we're just gonna do a little bit and show y'all a little bit around here. Can't do too much because I don't want to get copyrighted, but y'all know. So we'll see.
That's not bad.
49ers, that's all right. That's okay. It's no Steeler fans. Hey, Steeler fans. Steeler fans.
You're a fan.
That's how we going. That's how we doing it.
So thanks for coming on. So now you become a Raider fan. That is what it is. He takes your name and you become a Raider fan.
Yeah. Hey, the debate still goes on about the Raiders and San Fran. So y'all see, they talk about it. The debate still goes
I gotta
on.
convert now. I'm
Yes.
a Raider fan. Don't
Yes.
tell my dad.
Hey, with Dad, look, hey, if you follow her page, she already subscribed to us, so she gonna get you. So now he knows. But now he knows.
Sorry, Dad. I had to do it.
What happened? Hold on. What happened? Whoa. All right, look, we on this thing. We walking this thing. Trying to see what's going on. From the find some sun. Look, we heading to the infinity pool party. Oh, shit. We got a seat. Yeah. We got a seat too. Oh, shit. Hey, look, we got a whole seat. Somebody post their ship. Okay, so I ain't the only one with a camera out here. Okay, so yeah, there we go. Man, everybody having a good time? Everybody having a good time?
Definitely.
Yeah, most
Great
definitely.
time.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, look.
Feeling good, Billy Ray.
Hey, that was a good one. That was a good one. Hey, make sure, hey, if y'all got this far in the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell somebody about this video. Make sure y'all do that. We're gonna be right back.
Comment, subscribe. Yeah, that's
Subscribe,
easy.
yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See, our shit right here. You can't see nothing from right here. See?
Out.
You can't see nothing. Oh. Hey, wait, we don't. Hey, we in the elevator, so trying to see if she gonna make it to her actual birthday. What y'all think? Comment down below, please, if y'all think she gonna make it to her birthday. Come on, yeah. Guess not then. We good. What's good, everybody? It's day 3. About to get ready to get on this glass bottom boat. Shoot, see what's up. We're gonna give y'all some good footage of that. So y'all just stay tuned, see what's going down.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll get back with y'all in a few minutes.
Vamos a salir hacia el Mar de Cortés, mejor conocido o antes lo conocían como el Golfo de la Baja California. En estas aguas vamos a encontrar una gran cantidad de animales. Los que podemos ver van a ser todos marinos. De un lado vamos a encontrar muchos pelícanos, ¿okay? Son pelícanos californianos y pelícanos peruanos. De hecho, adelante va un lobo marino, a ver si nos los podemos topar. ¿Okay? También podemos encontrar delfines, tiburones, rayas y una simple playa de Cabo. A ver, se va a intentar subir al barco. Sardina. Era tan importante que en la Segunda Guerra Mundial nosotros le mandábamos este producto a las fuerzas aliadas. Es de las pocas playas a donde nosotros vamos a poder llegar caminando sin ningún problema. Pues welcome to Sea of Cortés, okay? ¿Quieren una foto ustedes solos? Vamos a llegar a una de las playas más conocidas, más bonitas en lo particular. Yo se las recomiendo mucho. Esta es la playa de Florida. Vamos a encontrar mucha cantidad de peces, ¿ok? Entonces lo que les voy a pedir, pueden sentar al para los pequeños en el suelo para que ellos puedan disfrutar realmente todo el ecosistema que nosotros tenemos. Van a ir apareciendo, ¿ok? No se vayan a desesperar porque ellos van a ir llegando. Welcome to the Pelican Forest and the Pelican Beach. It's a perfect for snorkeling, scuba diving, and swimming. Okay? Recommendation for kids or for family. For example, in the floor is my TV, 4K high definition. Keep the fishing. My recommendation, take the video in your camera or cell phone. Exactly. For snorkeling video. Okay. Chicos, igual, pongan sus teléfonos en el suelo. Are you ready for one taco fish? Fish taco? For example, the yellowfish is a sergeant, and the silverfin fish is a carp. Big fish is carp. Chicos, is carp? Okay, one second, please. Okay, por ejemplo.
Everything. Y'all see all this stuff? Y'all see it? Glass bottom boat tour. You gotta go do this when you get to Cabo. You gotta do this too.
Alright. Yeah, we did our tequila tasting. Ooh. She got my chest hot. My chest real hot. Real warm. So yeah, that went down. That was pretty cool. What the hell is that? What the hell all this shit is? See over here. We got tequila everywhere. They believe it's tequila out here. Kahlua. All this stuff. It's crazy. It's crazy. Y'all see all this stuff? We need to go find something to eat. So we're gonna have to work a child in a few minutes.
Hey, we in the playoffs, Niners and the Raiders, from San Francisco to the motherfucking Bay, all the way to Houston, motherfucker, and I'm like Papa Dow.
YouTube. It's our last day here. Bittersweet. We don't want to go. We don't want to leave. But hey, man, we enjoyed ourselves. Like, we really did. So, as I say, so yeah, if y'all trying to plan a trip and want to come out to Cabo, y'all go ahead and stay at the reunion. It's pretty nice. Y'all gonna see. Baja California. The adults on, So y'all booked that and man, we out. Thank y'all for watching. If you got this far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Oh wait a minute. About to miss the elevator. Boom. Yes. Yeah, hit that bell and stay tuned for the next video. We out.